Hello and welcome to the Kala Wallet. In this video today I'm going to show you how you can send BTC from your Kala Wallet just using a simple copy and paste method. Let's get started. First we're going to go into our dashboard. Here we can see not only our Kala amount but our Bitcoin amount as well. We'll go ahead and click into Bitcoin since that's what we're sending today. Perfect. Up here in the corner you can see that this is your Bitcoin balance or your BTC balance, and then also we have it in your USD balance as well. Let's see. So to send Bitcoin to someone, you'll need to enter in their Bitcoin wallet address. There's several ways you can do this. You can do it by using a contact, or you can use their QR code. However, if you don't have either of these and they just send you their Bitcoin wallet address, you can copy and paste it into this field and that will be perfect. You'll be able to send it to them. Bitcoin addresses can be a little tricky as far as they're pretty long, as you can see. This is Amy's Bitcoin address. We're going to copy and paste it. So we're going to copy it, or you can do a right click, copy, and then we'll come back here, right click and paste. You'll want to make sure that you have grabbed the entire address. A pro tip from us is we usually check the first few letters are numbers and the last few letters are numbers. So I click back and check. I can see, yes, clearly I have copied and pasted the entire address. If you miss a couple letters or numbers off of either side, it is highly likely that your Bitcoin will be lost or sent to the wrong person, and it is impossible to draw back. So you've got to make sure that you got that correct. Once you're certain you've got it correct, then you can move forward. It's super simple after that. Now we'll just go ahead and choose the amount we want to send. We've made it easy in here to decide whether you want to send in a BTC amount or a USD amount. I'll go ahead and just send a USD amount. We're going to send $20. Another exciting feature that we have here in the wallet is that you get to leave a note for each one of your transactions. This is different and not really standard for every wallet, but we know how important it is for you to be able to track where you sent all of your Bitcoin. So we're excited for this. Here we'll just put Amy's phone bill. So now I know why I'm sending this Bitcoin off. I'll go ahead and push the preview transaction button. Now I'm in here and I can see this is the day I'm sending it. This is the recipient's wallet. So I could check one more time to ensure that I have copy and pasted the entire wallet address in there. And then we can check the amount that we're sending in BTC as well as in USD. You can see it's a little higher than what we had entered. That's because it contains the fees down here that are included. Please remember that any BTC transaction comes with a fee. This is standard and every wallet has these, so no need to be alarmed. Then of course my cool note that shows that this is for Amy's phone bill, and then we'll go ahead and press send BTC. One last step before sending, you're required to enter your two-step authentication verification code. This is awesome because this means no one can send BTC out of your wallet unless they have your smartphone or smart device. So that's most likely only going to be you. This is a great way to keep yourself secure. So I will go ahead and grab my code. Awesome. You can see that we have successfully sent our BTC. Perfect. We have a couple of other videos to show you how to use the contact method or the QR code method, so please look out for those. Have a great day.